Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Smoke in Mortal Kombat 1. Smoke is a nimble assassin who thrives on confusion and quick strikes. His core gameplay revolves around teleportation, invisibility, and smoke-based attacks. You will learn to master his unique abilities to keep opponents guessing and create devastating combo opportunities. Get ready to vanish and reappear, delivering swift, punishing blows. Smoke's special moves are key to his effectiveness. His teleport allows for instant movement across the screen, perfect for extending combos or escaping pressure. The smoke bomb creates a cloud that can hide your next move or set up juggle opportunities. Additionally, his smoke dash offers quick evasive maneuvers, while the air teleport opens up tricky aerial attacks and mix-ups. Mastering these will elevate your game. Building effective combos with Smoke involves smart use of his abilities. Begin with fast, low attacks to initiate your offense. Seamlessly integrate his teleportation to extend both ground and aerial sequences, keeping your opponent trapped. The Smoke Bomb is excellent for juggling, allowing you to rack up significant damage. Remember to practice meter burn variations of his special moves for enhanced power and extended combo potential. To truly master Smoke, delve into advanced tactics. His invisibility can be used for incredibly unpredictable attacks and defensive maneuvers, making you a ghost on the battlefield. Leverage his air teleport for tricky cross-ups and overhead attacks that are difficult to block. Experiment with canceling special moves into other abilities to create complex, high-pressure mix-ups. Finally, perfect your fatal blow and crushing blow timings for maximum damage output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.